Yeah, good evening, all of you.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, quickly, let us have question answer sessions if anything is there from your end. Thora sir.
Good evening, sir. Just concern about the name of external members outside India.
Yeah, that is still pending, correct?
Yes, sir.
For your information, until yesterday I was very much busy with our NAC.
Okay.
We had received DVV. DVV is the second step in NAC. First step is submitting the SSR, self-study report. And once we submit, they will look into the data and they will send DVV, digital data verification and validation. There will be many queries. Again, we need to justify all of them and resubmit. So yesterday was the last date. So all of we were busy in doing it. Therefore, I haven't done it. Okay, I think in the next few days we'll settle this. So Arun Thorat, your concern is external examiner from university outside, correct?
Yes, sir.
Outside university, out of state, out
No,
of
no, out of India.
out of India, out of India. Have you identified anybody?
Sir, I have just identified Tanori sir and getting acknowledged from him about the
Okay,
our consent from him.
I had told you that I will get somebody from Australia, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is
Right,
pending.
right, right. Australia, I will make the communication, and even I have a friend in USA.
Okay.
Even I will communicate to him. But is there any requirement that you must be referring to their papers? Is there any?
Not necessary. We just
Not.
required their latest three publication papers, name of those papers.
Okay, okay. So what I will do, I will send you the names first.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can go through their profile and their publications.
Okay.
If you find them suitable, we'll communicate to them. Otherwise, there is no point in communicating.
Okay, sir.
Hmm?
Okay.
And in the same university, if you
Yeah,
find,
no problem.
no, no, no,
Even in same department, if two persons are ready, then we can add their names.
no, listen to me, listen to me. First of all, I'm going to give you two names.
Okay.
Find out their publications.
Okay.
From the publication, you will find out the university as well as the department.
Okay.
From the university and department, you find out the other members.
Okay.
If they are relevant to your topic,
Okay.
we can ask this person to accept our invitation. In that way, I'm telling. Are you getting
Okay.
this?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. This information is for the benefit of all others also. Why I'm calling
Yes.
other members is just Arun Thorat sir is few steps ahead of other members. So similar activity we need to do when you reach that stage. Yeah. Okay. This will take up. This will take up. Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow afternoon you
Yes,
just
sir.
remind me. Okay, I
Yes,
will
sir.
give you the names.
Okay.
Yeah. Anything else? Thora sir,
Yes, sir.
anything else is there? No.
Good evening, sir. This is
Yeah,
Rahul.
Rahul.
Sir, I wanted to know regarding that progress review, sir.
Hmm.
We need to submit that we need to submit some reports to the university. Every 6 months, progress report review something has to be submitted. No, sir?
Mm, is it
Regarding that, we
is
wanted
it
to know because we
are
also the colleagues in our department they were submitting those some six reports they were doing it. So I wanted to know regarding that.
yeah, Arun sir, can you just reply to this question? Saurav sir. Bhagwan sir, are you there? Samir, Bhagwan. Yeah, can you reply to this question? You got the question? What Rahul sir is asking?
I got that.
Yeah, please.
Every 6 months, report we have to submit to universities by taking the signature of doctoral committee members. So whatever work you have carried out during that 6 months, that you have to frame either in the form of table, you summarize all the work, whatever you did. Rahul, you got my point? Yes, yes. But one more thing I want to this doctoral committee was formed in the year of 2000, January 2000. So how can you take the signature before that? Suppose if I am preparing a report prior to that, then how would that signature will be validated? Because the doctoral committee was formed in the month of January 2012. Yeah, that is true concern. Even we have also raised the same query to the university, but they said that you have to take as per the new format. You have to prepare your progress report as per the new format. Right. So after the completion of the after the completion of coursework, you have to consider six districts, right? Or prior to that? From the date of registration, I think so. From the date of registration, it has to be. Yeah. Okay. Fine. No problem.
Yeah, one thing, Mr. Samir.
Yes, sir.
Is it this is different from open seminar?
Uh, Sir, I'm not getting your voice clearly. Can you repeat, sir?
No, this 6 months progress reports. These reports, these are different from open seminars.
Sir, still the voice is not reachable. Yeah. Now, can you repeat, sir? Sir, I think everybody has to mute. Yeah, Ashish is disturbing Ashish. Yeah. Sir.
Now the question is, uh, first the candidate registers.
Yeah.
Afterwards, there is a time, and he or she completes the comprehensive viva, right?
Yes, sir. Coursework and then comprehensive.
Of course, after the coursework only comprehensive can be conducted.
Yes.
Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now the question is, these 6 months reports, are they between the registration and comprehensive, or are they after the comprehensive and before the submission of final report? What is this?
Yeah.
And
Actually, sir,
there is one more thing. There is what is that? Open seminar 1 and 2.
yes, sir.
When these appear?
Actually, yeah.
Yeah. Arun sir, go ahead.
This question, sir. Sir, you reply to this question.
Thorat.
Okay, sir.
Huh.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually 6 months progress report will start from the date of registration.
Date of registration. Okay, good.
Yeah. So in between that, your first progress report will highlight the name of the courses for which you will.
Aha. Okay. Okay.
Sir, there is one question regarding this project review or progress report. The question is what? Whether we have to submit that review online or we have to submit the hard copy of that to the university.
Ashish will come to your question. Before that, let us understand the question.
Okay, sir. No problem.
Yeah, Arun sir, I think he has gone.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Yeah, continue.
Today, lot of disturbance. So our 6 months progress report will start from that day. So in between that, we have to add the coursework, then we have to add the comprehensive exam, then we have to add the open seminar number 1, open seminar number 2 as a part of this progress report.
Okay,
So it
irrespective.
will continue minimum 10 progress report is expected.
Okay, so irrespective of what happens from the date of registration, every 6 months, what is happening, they would like to know.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
And the latest thing is that after October 2019, whichever the progress report you are going to submit, you have to take prior permission of that.
After October 19. Okay.
Because in October 19, the department is established separately. So they want that the prior permission of whatever the progress report you are going to submit, you have to take prior permission of department.
Department. Okay. So prior to that,
Prior to that, again, we need to make an application that
correct.
before this date, I have covered this many number of progress reports, but that time the department was not there, so we have taken the signature of respect to doctoral committee members, but unfortunately, we have not communicated to you. So meantime, we can submit all the reports, and if the police seminar or any other activity is scheduled, then we have to take prior permission.
Okay. That is for the cases where before this October 19, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So today, now we are in February 21.
Yes, sir.
So October 19 means maybe somebody may be submitting in the month of December 19, then June 20, June, December 20. Okay, what about these three reports? How should they go about?
Again, we have to make an application to the research center
Center.
about what happened, why you are not able to take the prior permission.
Hmm.
And because of this pandemic situation, we can say that we are unable to do the proper procedure. But we have conducted this progress report in front of doctoral committee members. That we have to write an application to research center.
Okay. Yeah. I think everybody is getting this. So maybe few of you have registered during January of any year, or some of you might have joined somewhere in the month of June, July.
Yes, sir.
Maybe January or maybe June, July. So accordingly, you will have 6 months reports, either pending at December or pending at June, July, kind of thing. Correct. So what Arun sir is telling, so as of December 2020, I think everybody's reports are to be required to reach the research center. That is a necessity. That is a necessity. And for which we had written a letter to research center. Copy will be shared by Arun Thorat sir to all of you. Okay, similar kind of a letter you can also make. And Thorat sir, you tell me, does it require personally to go and submit?
In fact, if you go personally, then it's better, sir.
Yeah. Problems will be solved if you go to research center and submit them. If it takes 2 days, yeah, if it takes 2 days, stay at Belgaum for one day. So see that your job is done. That's very important because these all, everything will become cumulative when we want to progress. Yeah, I think uh, now until this progress report part we have completed. What it was means every 6 months, whatever happens that needs to be recorded, and a report has to be prepared. Progress report format, has it changed by any means, or it's the same thing? Thora sir, it is the same thing. Okay.
I have doubt. I searched through website. I find that there is a detailed progress report is required, which include introduction, literature survey, your progress, number of publications.
Yeah, ma'am, actually, you might have seen that the open seminar report. Because in 6 months, for our registration time, those who are registered after this 20, they need to follow that, but we need to just submit the first page of report, which mentions the title and everything, and then the signature of the committee members. That is important, and at least 3 to 4 pages. That is enough, ma'am. No need to submit details, everything.
I think Thora sir, you have submitted only one page report.
2 to 3 pages, sir.
2 to 3 pages. What you can do is you can just share it for the benefit of other members.
Yes, sir.
That may be useful, that may not be useful. Remember.
Yes.
somehow Bhagwan sir and Thora sir, they could get through. They did some circus, and that is true. It may not happen for you. You will have to undergo that what whatever research center says. Maybe they may ask you to redo it, retake the signature, kind of thing will be there. That's a part of system that cannot be avoided. That cannot be avoided. I think Nisha, you got the answer.
Yes, sir.
Rahul.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Jyoti madam.
Yes, sir. Yet I have to yet to attend the comprehensive viva. So is it necessary for me, compulsory for me to do the progress report before attending the comprehensive viva?
Yes. 6 months.
Yes, ma'am.
6 months report is
Yes,
6 months report. That's all.
because I have completed my coursework just 4 months back, so I have to show I can be.
That's not a problem. See, every year you are attending the examinations,
Yes,
and
yes, sir.
you are not successful.
Yes, sir.
Same thing can be put in the report.
Okay, fine, sir.
See, whatever way you are traveling towards your
Yes, sir.
PhD goal, what has happened for the 6 months, that needs to be spelled out.
Okay, fine, sir.
Once
Yes,
you
sir.
once you start preparing your uh, first 6 months, 0 to 6 months report, then you will understand
Okay.
how what thing can be added for another 6 months. Then you will be surprised yourself that how much time has been wasted.
Yes, sir.
It's an
That's
eye
true.
it's an eye opener.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, Ashish.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. Any
So
question?
I have one question.
Yeah, Sudhir.
Yes, assistant. Yes, sir. See that, sir, before comprehensive, there is a note of trade committee form. So that report, 6 month report, is it necessary to take sign of that of trade committee members?
If the format says, if in the format there is a signature is required.
Okay, then. Okay. Sure.
Ashish, huh?
My question was, sometimes there is one portal is there, and we have to submit that progress report in that portal. I think in which you website that portal is there. Whether such kind of portal is there, because I heard from two members that we have to submit the progress report in that portal. Mail.
No, there is no
Mail
question.
to you.
There is no question of hearing from somebody else. This we discussed during our last meet. That portal address also I have given.
Sir, that is for progress review report, sir.
Yes.
For progress report.
Yes.
Okay, okay, no problem.
What is no problem? That means either you are not attentive in the meeting, or afterwards you have never done this, seen this page. I had shown this page, you remember? Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Are you seeing my screen, Arun sir?
No, sir. Screen is not visible, sir.
Screen
Only,
is
orange color is there. That type of screen is there.
okay. 1 minute. Just it should appear. It should appear. It is showing. Mhm. So what screen you are able to see? You are able to see
Orange color screen is visible. Orange background screen.
only orange background screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Remove this tile.